Okay.
It's maybe biggest at Ryogoku Bridge. Yes.
Right here.
At Ryogoku, yes. This bridge.
Oh, maybe there's fish in there. Here's a nice map.
And maybe you know Hanabi, the fireworks.
Fireworks, okay.
Yeah.
So we are here.
Yes.
This is the Sumida River, big river. This is, see, I want to pronounce this Ryogoku, but it's Ryogoku. So it's really, the R is silent almost in Japanese. You almost, Ryogoku.
Ryogoku.
Because you don't have the R sound in Japanese, do you? I've been up here to Kabuki or somewhere.
Yeah.
Asukasa. No, maybe over here. Asukasa, there's a theater there. Long time ago I went. And
so now
we're gonna go where?
We're gonna go here. It's this Skytree area.
Over here. Skytree, this way.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we can see it here somewhere. Or maybe it's we're underneath the highway.
Yeah, highway.
Over here. We can come here. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And markets, things like that. That's pretty cool. Oh, there. Are those fishing boats?
Oh, really?
Are those fishing boats, you think?
Where?
Under the bridge are both on both sides.
It's Yakata.
No, I don't see any sign.
Yes, like me too.
And here's the low bridge going. Very nice. Okay, come on. And there's some artwork. Idome.
Old map at here.
From old map from here. Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? That's still dark, but it's become faded. It's become faded, like the sun is wearing, so the color is going away.
Yeah, maybe.
And up above here is a toll highway, right?
Yes.
So,
Right.
Ichibake.
Yes.
I cannot figure. It's a runner. It's a chicken.
Small technique, small trick.
Small trick.
Also like yorikiri and oshidashi. Sorry.
Let me see.
Small technique.
Oshidashi is pushing up. Well, it's like sumo.
Yes.
It's sumo, really.
Yes.
Why? No need making this complicated. Why do they do this? Just call it sumo. The people come up with other names.
Okay.
Okay, so there are two people pushing against each other. Feet, maybe 2 feet in the middle.
Feet.
Yeah.
And the hand and the like head.
So this is really like sumo. It's showing sumo wrestling, but it has another name. Odayashi, Sodayashi. What was that name on there? What was this name?
It's a skill, technique name.
Oshidashi. Oshidashi is like sumo.
Yes.
Similar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Small skill.
Small
skill. Yeah. Small technique.
It's a technique, a sumo technique.
Yeah. Small technique.
Okay. All along here. Oh, different. This looks like something else.
Maybe only Ryogoku. This bridge.
Here he's standing up, pushing down, picking up with the leg. So each of these along here, all the way along here, every so often there's one of these, and they are sumo moves, sumo techniques. So each one is different, has a different name. Now we're understanding.
Yeah.
And you try to see, like, here are the feet up in the air, here is his head, and this guy, the other one is kind of, I guess, maybe throwing him down on the mat.
Yeah.
And this is the name of this move?
Sukuinage.
Sukuinage.
Yes, sukuinage.
Okay, so each of these has a name. So like judo,
Yeah.
like other sports, there are techniques, right?
Right.
And names in Japanese given to each of these. So a sumo wrestler would know all of these techniques.
Yes.
How many? Do you know how many there are? 20, 30, 100? Many.
Yeah, many.
Oh, looks like a rocket ship in the water.
It's a
Ferry?
like a ferry. So trip around the famous area by ferry.
Do you think that's the one that goes to Yokohama?
Ah, yes.
I think so.
Yes.
Because I've seen them over in Yokohama.
Yeah. Same.
Who does
Same.
JR operate that? Or other company maybe?
Yeah. Maybe.
Wow, this is amazing. And no people
Yeah.
on the walking here on the Sumida River.
Yes, Sumida River.
It's like watching the Gate Hotel. What's that? Why these are all here? Konnichiwa! Hi kids! Hi! How are you? What's that?
Says what? Just says what?
What? What's he saying?
Nani?
Other side is sunny.
Yeah.
Should we swim to the other side? Go other side?
Not can't swim. No, it's
You cannot
dirty.
Dirty water. It's dirty water. She does not want the dirty water.
I like swimming very much, but
Not this water?
No.
What do you think? What's this?
Pump of water.
Ah, pump. Huh. Do not know. We do not know the answer.
I couldn't see it move.
It maybe big motors. Oh, Yogoku Junior High School students
Yeah.
made this artwork.
Yeah.
Ah, Honjo Junior High School, another one.
Oh, maybe. Yogoku Junior High School.
Megami,
Ah,
Ayumi.
everyone's name. Hey.
Where is Ayaka? We're looking for Ayaka.
Yes.
Come on.
Lisa, Daisuke.
Kozu, Kara,
Ayaka ない。あ、
Hitomi.
これあれアヤコかな。あ、どうなんだろう。
Ayaka.
Maybe near.
Ah, it's Ayaka.
Aya.
We have a winner. It's this girl.
Yes.
Tobi Akari.
アヤは
Hey, there's another Ayaka.
アヤ
Two.
コ。
Ayako. Like Tomoko, Tomoka, Tomaki.
トマキ。
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Maybe
Maybe
I'm
マキマキ。
Maki. Yeah, Maki. I know Maki.
トマキ。でもこれも多分フェイ
Nemo, Finding Nemo.
Yes, yes, yes. Finding Nemo. これ多分ペン
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yes,
It
boy.
stays so good.
絵の具だ。
Honjo Junior High School. Orca.
ああ、そう小学校。
Maybe competition. And these were winners. Yokokawa. When I was when I went north of Sapporo to Asahi, I could not say it. For a long time I keep trying, keep practicing, but I cannot. Like this, Narihira.
Narihira.
Narihira Elementary School. This one.
ナリヒラ。